Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by creating the exact destination for the QR code, a single video, playlist, or channel URL. Once done, shorten or clean the link so it's stable. Changeable redirect links complicate tracking. Next, pick a QR generator that allows static codes or controlled redirects so you can update destination later if needed. Make sure to test that the final URL opens on both mobile and desktop browsers right away, because early verification prevents broken scans in distribution. Now create the code. Paste your tested YouTube URL into the generator and select a static QR if you never plan to change the target, or choose a redirect-hosted QR if you want editing ability later. Once generated, customize visual settings, size, contrast, and minimal logo use to ensure reliable scanning across phone cameras. Then export high-resolution PNG or SVG for print and web. Finally, scan the saved file yourself to confirm it resolves to the intended YouTube page without finish by placing the QR where people will actually scan. Good lighting, contrasted background, and large enough for the expected distance. Use a redirect service or append UTM tags to your YouTube link so you can monitor scans and engagement. If scans fail, first test with multiple phones and cameras, then check for glare, printing resolution, or trimmed quiet zones. If the URL changed, regenerate and redistribute the corrected QR. One troubleshooting tip: always keep a tested backup image and a short printed URL nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.